Hi, Dick Rochfort here,
American 1651,
aboard the M600 Piper Meridian. This is the latest model. This one does not have Halo, the auto land system, but other than that, it's fully equipped. G3000, 3 big beautiful displays, and 2 Garmin touchscreen controllers, GTCs, more glass than a sports bar. Okay, so we're through 18 and altimeter's blinking at us, so the captain's going to push the barrow button and set the back up. And one of the questions I get a lot about this panel is how do you use all this space efficiently? And I guess the first question is, what does that mean, efficiently? I see folks set up this screen just like this, and then they drag out an iPad to get information that they haven't figured out how to get on this beautiful screen. Some of you may already know that the GTCs each have a unique banner for what it is they're controlling. The bright blue one is for the left GTC, and the dark blue one is for the right GTC. In other words, if we want to control a split screen, I can flick the joystick here to bring the dark blue banner to the left, and it instigates a split screen. And then from there, we can have whatever we want on here. For example, we might want to put an XRAD on one side. So we can do that pretty easily. Select weather, Cirrus, XRAD, ATARs, etc., whatever we want. And then over here we can choose the radar, so choose weather, weather selection, color weather radar, and we can turn it on. And now we have side-by-side pictures of XRAD and radar. Obviously, this radar today is not painting all that rain. It's painting the ground. So to fix that, what we're going to do is select the tilt. We're going to tilt it, instead of down, we're going to tilt it up. I'm doing that with the joystick. The idea here is to tilt it such that we're painting ground on roughly the outer quadrant. Something like
12535.
Not too far.
50, 60,
something like that.
November 711 Juliet Bravo, descend and maintain flight level 190.
190,
And now we're presuming that's all ground, because within 60 miles we haven't got anything that looks like rain in front of us. In the event that you can't see out the window, then we would have to learn how to trust this. And the way we do that is by choosing the bearing line and moving the bearing line over something that we might think is weather, and then switching to the vertical profile. Now it's presumed that the airplane is over here, flying from left to right, and this scan is as if we were slicing through a piece of pie from top to bottom, like a knife with a knife. And the area that we're slicing is 4 degrees right of the aircraft. Dick Rochfort, fly safely.
Okay, try Indianapolis Center 12557.